So I'm not live. Let me go test this again. Guys, can you hear me? I've been streaming for a long time. So could everyone please let me know in the chat? I'm seeing that I've got 11 watches. What's going on here? If you can hear me, let me know in the chat. Let me write something. Hello, fam. Why am I not seeing the chat? Am I not seeing my chat? What's going on? What is going on? No, the chat is fine. No, this is not. Let me see. Why does it? Why is it showing like this? Let me see. I don't know if you guys can hear me. I'm also not seeing my chat, by the way, guys. So let me see. Put it this way. Okay. This chat bar is not working as it should. Let me see this one. This is good. Put it a little bit like this. This is good. I'm not seeing my chat. Why am I not seeing the chat? Why am I not seeing it? This is the chat. Hello. Hello. I'm sending hello. Let me go to my phone and see if it's working. I'm gonna mute myself for a second, guys. Yes, guys. I'm hearing you guys. He's calling me an echo. I can see the chat, by the way, on my phone. It's not showing on this freaking OBS because I'm using this OBS and it's somehow it's not showing the chat over here. But I don't care. I can see you guys on my phone. So I've got my phone over here. Hello, mate. Let me see. Let me see. Look at battle. Yes. Pumping NVIDIA. Yes. Oh, yes. What's up? Hello. Well, hello to you guys too. Welcome. I've done one live stream. I don't know, it's like months ago. And I used OBS for that. So I was testing my OBS today and I thought that I figured it out. But somehow the chat is not showing on my OBS. It's not connecting somehow. But I am live, so I can see myself that I'm live on my phone, I think. Let me see. I don't know, it's like months ago. And, is this live? This needs to run live. Let me mute it and let it run live like this. Am I still running? Guys, can you still hear me? Thumbs up, please. Because I need to see the chat. I need to see the chat, guys. I need to see the chat. I'm not seeing the chat running. Why is my chat not running now? Let me see. Why is my chat not running? see. Let me remove this one. Let me go to this one. Let me go find it again. Like this. Yes, I hope you're good. Okay, it's running. Let me see if I can see. I can see this. IMB, hi, we're waiting. Why am I not seeing? So normally it should all be fine. It should all be fine. Wait a minute, I need to do this. Share the link of the live, but how do I do that? I haven't done this for a long time, guys. So for me, it's now. Oh, there's a bit of. Oh, see. I have to do it like this. How do I get to? Let me see. How can I do this, that? Let me see, how can I copy this one? Options, okay. It's copied. Let me see, go to this one. No. You see, it goes to that one and not to that one. No, let me see, one moment. Ooh, no momento, please, guys. Uno momento, please. Let me see what's going on here. Share, yes, share. And then let's just do copy link, copied. Let me go to my Twitter. Yes, sir. And then let me go to my Twitter and then go to here. Guys, I'm not used to stream, so there are a lot of things that could go wrong today. just bear with me. A lot of things could go wrong today. But, you know, I'm going to, we all have to do something. You have to do it to learn it. It's just like trading. You have to get your hands into the charts and into the trading to know how to do it. Otherwise, we are live charting altcoins. We're live charting altcoins. Q&A. Join in now. Let's see. Join in now. Let's see. Post. Let's see. Send now. Let's see. Let me pin it. Pin. We are live charting altcoins. Q&A. Join in now. Okay, guys, please that are in here, repost and like the post on Twitter, so all the retail fam that are out there or are not with the family, with the children, can join in. Let's see. We have got only how much are watching now? We're just 17 watching, I see here. Okay, well, no problem, guys. Put on the like, please. Share the vid as much as you can. Comment, whatever. Oh, you're commenting, so let me see. Can I need to see the chat. I need to see the chat. How can I see the chat? Yes, this way I can see the chat. Okay, yes. Am I mute? No, I'm not mute. Can't you guys hear me? You're still mute. IMB. Any calls for the Mexc competition? Like the stream, guys. Guys, can you hear me? Because I'm not on mute. Can someone answer if you can hear me? Answer, please. All good, bro? Yes. Okay. Not muted. Okay. Now I know for sure. Okay, guys, we're gonna just start. We're gonna start. So you can all destroy the chat, whatever you want. But first of all, I'm going to do my thing, And after that, I'm going into the chat, and then you can share the altcoins that your guys are looking for and what's going on and etc. So first of all, I'm gonna do my stream delayed. Yes, my loud and delayed. Okay. I don't know, guys. I'm just gonna start in, and if it goes wrong, it goes wrong. So that's just why it is. I don't got any team here pushing buttons. It's just me, and I'm no Einstein in OBS programs and etc. Let me do my thing. So I'm gonna do my thing. I think that everyone is hearing me. So let's just start. Let's just start and see what's going to happen, guys. Let me see. Maybe I can even wait a minute. Maybe I can even do the chat on this screen so I can see it better. Now let me remove this one. Let me go to so I can see the chat better. Let me see the chat. Let me see. One moment, please. I'm gonna. Let me see so I can see the chat on a bigger screen. I've got a lot of screens, guys, so I can use whatever screen I want. Let me go to. Okay. See the chat better. Let me see the chat. Let me see. One moment, please. I'm gonna. Oh, wait a minute, but now I'm hearing myself twice. How can I arrange to get this unmuted? I've got a lot of screens, guys, so let me see. Use whatever screen I want. Let me remove, where is that button? Let me see, where is that? Not that one. Oh, wait a minute, but now I'm hearing myself twice. Okay. Well, I have to stop that one. Let's hope that the chat doesn't stop also. Okay, guys, so we're gonna start. Why is Arweave on my chart, by the way? By the way, guys, Arweave, about Arweave, since we are on Arweave, this rise up, let me put it on a weekly so you can see it better. Arweave, this pump up, this has something I think not a lot of people have been seeing coming, but Arweave, there's something AI related, and they have got some relationship to Nvidia, or I don't know what it is, but it's a storage coin, so it's really very, I don't know how it's related to AI. So somehow they did something, and well, the wheels, they knew this over here. It was, by the way, on the chart. Break the indie, came back, tested, boom, and this is a huge. So Arweave, the people are still very bullish, and well, if the rumors are real and this thing might go to all-time high in very, very smart, if the rumors are right, if it's really they're having some partnership with Nvidia or whatever they're going to do, AI related, whatever, this thing could go up very fast to $100. It's just how it is. It's how I see it. So it's based on fundamentals, guys. It's based on fundamentals. So let me go into what I want to do. What did I want to do? I wanted to start this because it's all about we're gonna talk a lot about altcoins today, but first of all I want to talk a bit about Bitcoin. So Bitcoin first, guys. Bitcoin first. And why Bitcoin, guys? Let me see that you guys can see it very good. Bitcoin, well, we really killed it again. If you look at it at the weekly chart, there's not a lot to see, but on the shorter time frames, altcoins dumped like 30%, 40%. Some even did 50%. And well, for retailers, these moves are huge because if you're holding a bag and you're in with a lot of money, and 30% is a lot of money, or 40% is a lot of money to lose. And I'm now only talking about spot traders. I'm not even talking about leverage traders. So on leverage, these moves get people liquidated. They lose all their money. So they start all over again if they own other funds. So that's why when I'm always telling you guys, there is a difference between leverage trading and short-term trading and long-term trading. Because if someone bought in Cody at, for example, over here at 7 cents, 8 cents, like I've been sharing, and he is on a 3-4x, and then this dump happened, well, he's still in a 2x, so he doesn't care. he is waiting for Cody to sell it when it gets to maybe all-time high, even higher. So he just doesn't care. But someone that has been buying in Cody over here and with a lot of money or even on leverage, this dump will hurt you a lot. Will hurt you a lot. Guys, I'm seeing in the chat render popping. Listen, guys, it's render. Let me tell you guys, you can expect a lot of poppings from these coins, and that has to do with the Nvidia. There is an Nvidia how you say in English, the Nvidia conference coming up, and it's related to these coins. It's related to render, it's related to near, it's related to Arweave, it's related to that GHX. So there are some altcoins out there that are related to this Nvidia conference, and that's why you're seeing these coins popping up. So everything has got a reason, guys. It has got a reason. And Near is one of the coins that I'm super bullish on, by the way. Near, I'm super bullish, and Near is also somehow related to this AI partnerships or whatever. Still on mute, MB? I don't know, bro. Everyone else can hear me because I'm seeing people are reacting to what I just said. So I think the problem is at you. So Cosmin, I think you have a problem. I'm not on mute. Other people, confirm that you can hear me all, because otherwise you would not be talking. I just received a conference message, so I think people are hearing me. The conference is tomorrow. Yes, I thought so. It was the 18th, I thought. Yes, no problem. Yes, okay, so yes, only me. Yes, so it's only you. Okay, you can hear. Okay, so the conference is coming up. So that's why you're seeing these coins popping up. But now, my big fear about Near, because Near is also somehow related to this conference. And, you know, Near, I'm afraid that this was the pump. I don't know what's going to happen tomorrow. I don't know what's going to happen the day after. So I don't know what news is going to come out. And it's very dangerous to trade altcoins based on what's going to be shared. Because if this was already the pump, then they're going to sell the event. Then we're going to get a dump down. So it's very tricky but it's very, yeah, I know, guys, it's very tricky to trade coins when because you see this was going on. This was the preparation to the conference. You see, this is a move of, what is it? This is a move of 200%. So, or tomorrow somehow some new partnership needs to happen. That's when you can see this thing fly up even higher. But if the thing that they're going to say, it's already priced into this move, the only thing that can happen is that this thing comes back down. So that's why it's so dangerous to buy in at altcoins that already made a 2-3x, and then you're gonna wait for the conference, and then the conference happens, and then it's plop 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 plop, and they come down again. So it's very dangerous. It's very dangerous to trade based on these news events. And guys, these news events, it's like yesterday. The ones that have been watching my video yesterday, it was the same. The news events was that Boom was going to get listed on Binance. Well, the team and I know that some kind of hype is going to get in over there. So what happens next is, that's why the team, while I was recording the video yesterday, they opened up a long on Boom, which they normally don't do. But because they know the hype is getting in. And that's how they made that 1300%. But by the way, guys, it was just a tiny position. It's a meme coin, so it was just plain money. It was not a lot of money. Let me just say it like that. But guys, let me go back to, because let me do my thing, and then I will make it very quick. And then we'll go into the Q&A, and we're gonna do some charts that you guys like to see. So let me first of all do my thing. Where are my coins? My coins. I wanted to talk about several coins today. Yes, let me show you guys some altcoins that I'm eyeing and I'm bullish on. This is the first one, guys. This is the first one. Look at this. XCAT. XCAD, I was watching the volume. I'm really liking the volume on this one. The fully diluted one I didn't like so much, but it was, if I remember right, it was 76 million, and the fully diluted was 370, I think, something like that. But this thing, guys, this thing, I don't know what it is. I don't know. Maybe it's a 6 cents. Maybe it's whatever it is. But somehow I think that this thing will blow up. I don't know why. I don't know why. I don't know why. I have to do more research on this one. But, you know, look, we had this rise up. And let me put on the indicator, see how it looks like over here. Listen, guys, it's very simple. If we will come back to this 1.3 regions, I will start buying this one. I will start buying this one. So if this thing comes back to this regions over here, 1.3, I will start buying this one. So that's XCAD. Keep in mind, guys, XCAD. So that's XCAD. We had a nice double over here, a sort of a high and low over here with a triple. And, well, I think that this thing, I don't know. Guys, you know me. I'm no FOMO guy. I'm not someone that likes, oh, FOMO, this, that. No. But, you know, somehow this coin, I don't know. There is something with this coin. I've traded this coin, by the way, in the previous cycle. Made some nice gains on that one. Me together with a trading group. Really nice gains. So, but I don't know. And it's somehow, I think XCAD is also related to Silica. It has something to do with Silica, if I remember good from the past cycle. But, you know, put it on your watch list. XCAD. I've said it. Okay, let me go to the next one because I want to go very fast through it. So you guys, oh yeah, guys, this one, beer. Guys, beer. You remember the chart that I shared? This was the chart that I shared. This was the chart that I shared. And I got a lot of hate DMs about this one. Do you remember when I shared? This is the chart. If you would go to my Twitter page, this is what you'll see. This is what I shared. I shared it like this. This beer has got a big community, guys. These guys keep killing me about the chart that I shared. When I shared it over here, it's impossible for beer to come back to $7. It's impossible to come back to $8. It's impossible to come back to $5. It's impossible to come back to $6. And you are this and you are that and blah, 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 blah. I told them, guys, I'm bullish on beer. I'm bullish on beer. But I'm not bullish over here at 11, 10 bucks. No, we're going to 14 and then 20 bucks. No. And even if it would go there, congratulations. And I'm happy for you guys. Make your money. But it's not my trade to take. I'm not going to ape in at 11 bucks. I'm gonna wait for it to come back to the indie or come even lower to the $6, $7. Between 6.8 and 5.8 over here, I will start buying beer, and I'm bullish on beer. I like the team, I like the fundamentals, and I think that when the gaming will start rocking up, beer will do great and maybe even break all-time high. So bullish I am. So to the ones, beer army, well, I've said it. I think that you can even go to all-time high when the real gaming party starts. But I will not buy, because you know why I will not buy there? Because I would be right now at a 20-30% loss. That's not my style. So again, guys, beer. Keep in mind, beer is the BTC pair. Look, we are back in the box. You see, indie rejected, back in a box. Let me put on an alarm over here. Beer, I will be buying this. This looks very bullish, and this is why I want to buy beer between $6 and $5. I want to buy some beer. So that's about beer. Let me go to the next one. Also very bullish on, guys. This one is I don't know what it is, but this one I've shared it already. We broke out. Let me show you guys over here. We broke out Orion, guys. Orion, keep an eye on Orion. We broke it. This was massive. This breakout already. This is already almost a 3x, guys. Listen, at this thing we had to the, you see this box? I shared it over here. Go to the Twitter. I shared it. I know. Listen, look at this. Let me put it on the daily. We had over here this resistance, and then boom, up. So this thing looks very, very good. I don't know what's going on with this Orion. Orion is looking really good, guys. I'm not buying in here. I have a bag from over here. This thing, if it flips and holds support at the $2 ranges, maybe it could be a trade. Maybe it could be a trade, maybe. But Orion, guys, Orion looks really, really good. I've said it and I've shared it, guys. When I share a coin to you guys, know that it's for a reason. When I share some altcoin, and it's for a reason. Look at this one. Look, up, broke the Indie, came back. Look at it. Look how much upside there still is for Orion. This shows it. Look at this. Orion, guys. Orion, we will trade this in the private group. Let me go to the next one. Mexc. Guys, Mexc. Why is it showing this? This chart always shows me. Why is it showing like this? Let me do it on the daily. Yes. Mexc, guys. This is the box. This is the box. I will start aping in over here. 3.7 to 3.2. Mexc. I've said it. You heard me. This trend line over here. 3.1 to 3.7 DCA by Mexc. I'm still bullish on Mexc. So that's about Mexc. I've showed you guys that one, and I wanted to show you guys. There's this one. I don't buy these charts. This I just don't buy it. MLT, I just don't buy it. So that's about that. Let me do the other ones very quickly, so you guys can, so we can go into your to the Q&A in your charts. Listen to, guys. Look at this. Just look at this. Look at this and tell me what you think. Look at this and tell me what you think. Look at this. Tell me what you think. Guys, in the comments, let me know what you think. Thumbs up if you're liking it. Thumbs down if you don't like it. I'll be waiting. I'm waiting. I want to see those thumbs up or thumbs down. I want to just look at this chart and tell me what you guys are seeing. Let me put it on a monthly. Okay. Well, enjoy. Watch this chart and enjoy over here. Enjoy. I want thumbs up if you like the chart. I want thumbs down if you don't like the chart. I'm waiting, guys. I'm waiting. I am waiting. I'm waiting. By the way, guys, we've got like 30 views, 32, and I've got like 14 likes. Please push the like, guys. Push the likes. If you're watching this, push the like. Thumbs up. That's what I want to see. I want to see those thumbs up. Exactly. Guys, look at this chart. This is Polkadot. This is one of the top 5 best ecosystems in crypto available. It's just what it is. And I know that the Solana hype is going on and the Ethereum hype is getting in with the spot ETF, possible spot ETF. But look at this, guys. If you know, there are 3 ecosystems that I love. And Solana is not one of them. Too many underwater hodlers for me? I'm no hodler. I'm no hodler. And by the way, if there are too many underwater hodlers, that means that there are almost no sellers. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. It's no sentiment over here. We're not. Listen, I understand. If you didn't follow me, you have been bought in at $20 or $30, and you are now holding your bags in a 70-80% losses, and you're salty about Polkadot. I understand that thesis. I feel you. No problem. But I'm not here for the ones that didn't want to listen to me and are holding bags from the top, previous top, and are now very, very salty about Polkadot. No, I sold my bags on Polkadot on the top. And I'm very, very interested in buying in now when it's like 90% down. So I show you the rec charts, and you do you. And if you're holding Polkadot at 90%, you should cheer me for making these vids, because I'm about the only hope you have to get that price back to the 40-50 bucks so you can get a break even. So instead of becoming salty, Be happy. Oh, okay, I will not get, okay, let me, guys, this is number one. I'm not telling you that Polkadot, because if Bitcoin starts dumping, Polkadot will probably also dump. It's just how it is. It's just how it works. Coins like Polkadot, like Solana, like Cardano, like Ethereum, they are very, very Bitcoin sensitive. VeChain is also one of those. So when Bitcoin start dumping, these big coins also dump along. So that's why I'm telling you guys, what you have to do is listen. For me, just like I said yesterday, I do me, you do you. I show you what I see. And what I see is that Polkadot is one of the best buying opportunities from all ecosystems. And after Polkadot comes the Cosmos ecosystem. That's my opinion. So that's what the sound is skipping out. Well, the mic is just going on. Everything is going good here. I don't know. I've got about the best internet connection of the world, so it has to be good. I don't know. So Polkadot, guys, Polkadot is for me. So Polkadot, this double over here. Let me go to the Polkadot ETH. Look at this. This is Polkadot ETH, guys. This is Polkadot against ETH. Look what it is. 1, 2, a triple. So this is the ETH chart. Fine. Let me go to Polkadot Bitcoin. USDT. So over here, guys, I'm praying to God that this thing comes back to the $7 ranges. If this thing, if Polkadot comes back to the $7 ranges, I will be loading up again. And if Bitcoin starts dumping like real dumping to 50k, 40k levels, and Polkadot will come lower, I don't care. I will buy a lot more Polkadot. I don't care. We bought in over here, we bought in over here, and we will start buying in over here. And just wait until Polkadot make its move to the $20, $30, $40, whatever. So I am bullish on Polkadot and I will stay bullish. But I'm not buying in now. I'm showing you where I will be loading up. You know, remember what I always say? I'm not like those other influencers. They buy in some altcoins and then they will start shilling them to their followers. And then their followers, they're telling them buy in because this one's going to the moon. And then those followers will start pumping up that altcoin. And what happens next? They sell their bags that they bought in before and they will leave you wrecked behind. So no, I will never show you a chart from which I will say buy it now. Never. It's always on the retrace. So this is where I will be buying over here between $8 and $7. This is where I will be loading up again. And guys, it could, if Bitcoin will dump harder, it will dump even, Polkadot will dump harder. But I will not cry for a second about it. I will be very happy because the lower Polkadot goes, the more I buy. What's the most important thing that I teach you guys? Always have cash. Never go all in. So that's about that. So that's Polkadot. GLMR, same story, guys. GLMR, same story. GLMR, we had our nice rise up, nice gains are made, and GLMR is now getting rejected on the weekly. And I thought today I've been I've been hit. My first buy orders have been hit today. So this is GLMR, guys. It looks pretty the same like Polkadot does, but that's logically because they're related to each other. So I've been filled today over here on the indicator, by the way. I've been filled at the 51, 52, 53. So I'm already in some nice gains on this bounce, but you know, I want this thing to come back to the 42, 41 range. This I will be, it's just like Polkadot. If Polkadot will come back, it's related, guys. Understand, if Polkadot will come back to the $7, $8, GLMR will probably also come back to the 40 cents levels or even lower. But everything in this box here, I will be buying a lot of GLMR. So that's about GLMR. And then I want it killed, very fast killed in this box. Killed, it has to come back to the box. So everything from 37 cents and lower, killed is for me a buy. Anchor, by the way, guys, also Anchor, I've been bullish on Anchor from here, over here. I've been telling you Anchor. Anchor for me, it needs really to come back to this breakout over here. So somewhere 32, 33. So for now, I'm not interested in Anchor. It just moved up too fast. By the way, guys, Hydra. This Hydra chart, I shared you guys this chart. It's a mistake. This is not the Hydra from the Polkadot ecosystem. This is another Hydra. I've been sharing this chart, and you know, the thing is, it worked out very fine because it pumped like crazy. So people made a lot of money on this Hydra trade, but this is not the Hydra related to. And you know, I don't understand how nobody from the retail fam sent me a message from, wait a minute, MB, you're showing us the wrong Hydra. This is a blockchain. This Hydra is a blockchain. It's a layer 1 or layer 0. I don't know, one of the two. So this is a blockchain from which is super wrecked. It looks super bullish, by the way. And as you guys can see, the team traded this very nice, and me also, by the way, on spot. We bought in here and we sold this trend line. Look beautiful. This is about the best TA you can get. Look at it. Hit, and then over here we sold our bags. And so, but this is not the Hydra from the Polkadot ecosystem. That's the Polkadot ecosystem is Hydra DX, and that's another one. So this is another Hydra. Do some research about this one, because if this thing, by the way, comes back to the box 55 cent, it might be a nice scoop or even lower for a breakout, because at some point I think that this thing is very low cap, by the way. Guys, do research on this one. Hydra USDT. Hydra, it's not getting shilled. You'll not see it on CT. And those are the dangerous ones. Those are the dangerous ones. So just keep an eye on this Hydra. Do some research on it. Guys, if I tell you about a coin, keep in mind. Okay, let me go to my next coin, because I told you I'm going to talk today about coins that I didn't mention yet. A0. I love zero, guys. A0. If you missed A0, you're probably maybe gonna get your next chance, because a lot of people are going to get their next chance. Guys, A0 bottom, double bottom, boom. This is great. Bottom, double bottom, boom. You can even see it as a triple. So guys, if this thing comes back only to here, 93 cents and lower, I don't care how low it goes, 93 cents and lower. Everything would go lower over here, 93 to, from 90, I don't care, from 90 cents to 50 cents, I don't care. I will DCA buy this one. Okay, I just said it. I'm just showing you what, it's no financial advice. Everyone must do as he likes. I'm just showing you guys what I'm doing. So A0, I will be buying 90 cents to 50 cents. I will DCA buy this coin. By the way, Acala, it was pumping today and yesterday. I don't know what Acala is doing. Hey, come on. Don't go. Wait for Polkadot to do its thing, then you go up. Why are you going up so fast? Why are you doing this? Why? So just come down and come back to this region for 90 cents, and then I will be interested in buying some Acala. So Acala decided to pump without us, and well, I'm not so happy about that, man. But maybe we're seeing something like this cup and then a handle and then up. So if it comes back to the 90 cents regions, I'm interested. $1 to the 90 cents. We were talking about Acala, by the way, when it was over here somewhere. So that's about that. And then I'm always closing up, guys, almost, and then I will jump into your charts. Let me see. By the way, guys, congrats to the ones that do watch my vids. You remember when I was making a vid yesterday or the day before? I told you guys, out of nothing, GHX, because this is also related to that same NVIDIA conference or whatever. And it was, where was it? Over here, I think. I told you guys, look, it made it rise up. And look, it's now here, indicator. Look at the indicator. Look guys, indicator. Look, indicator. I know every freaking retailer that's watching this vid and doesn't have this indicator is a thief of his own pockets. You're just stupid. You don't know what you're doing. You're failing yourself. Use this freaking thing. Listen, look at it. Came here, retest, boom, up. And over here, this is what I told you. This coin already, but there is something going on. This thing could blow up. And listen to the guys that have been trading this, because there are two people that did it and sent me a DM. Thank you, MB, for showing us this. This made an 80% in one day. This is madness. This is mad. Let me see. Okay, so that was GX. So that one I wanted to show you guys, and I think I'm gonna end it up. Oh yeah, DSO, by the way, guys, DSO, I told you guys, $30. I'll be interested in buying some DSO. And by the way, guys, coins that already made rises up like this, I never buy in big. So if this thing comes back to the 30, 28, 25, 26, whatever, I will buy a nice bag, but it will not be huge bag, because the huge bags I buy that are in this range. So the charts that I share, like Polkadot, etc., that are still in these regions over here, those I buy big. The ones that are very good fundamental coins and have got a lot of potential, I buy them on the retrace, but I buy in smaller. So suppose that when I buy Polkadot, I buy maybe, if I got a 10K portfolio, I might buy Polkadot with 2K, and if a retrace is like this one, I buy maybe $500. So you have to see it like that. When you want to buy big, buy the ones that are the sellers, where the sellers are exhausted. Don't buy the ones from which they could dump even more. So that's just okay, guys. Yes, I think that, did I forget something? Did I forget something? I think I didn't. No, that was it. Oh yeah, one more. Okay, one more. Guys, Q&T. I've shared it. We made a lot of gains in the private. We nailed it, and it was really sad that Bitcoin decided to dump, because otherwise Q&T would pump very hard. We made nice gains, and guys, this thing, look at it. Look at this thing. Understand why I share what I share. I don't have any paid altcoins that I share. So every freaking altcoin that I share, first of all, I didn't buy in yet, because I buy in at lower levels. I tell you about a coin that I'm going to buy on lower levels. So I never own it when I share it to you. That's first of all. Second of all, nobody pays me to talk about any altcoin. So any altcoin that I talk about is based on my own research and the things that I see on the chart. I never, ever work together with a project or will work together with a project. So look at this, guys. Look where it is. So now we made that nice over here when I gave the call in the private. This was the pump that we made. We made some money. And look at it again. For the ones that don't have the indicator, look at it. Look at the indicator, guys. Boom, rejected. Boom, rejected. Boom, rejected. And now we're down. So Q&T, if this thing comes back to these regions, maybe for a double, put on the alarm, another alarm over here. If this thing comes back here, Q&T, I'll be buying some Q&T. And let me show it on the USDT pair. So it's this gray zone over here. So went up over here, made some nice gains. Okay, come back now. Come back to the 200 EMA. Please come back to the box. Let us buy in some cheap Q&T again. And then I wanted to show you guys LRC, one of my best calls. Congrats to everyone that believes in me and watch my vids and follows me and bought in and made these sick gains on LRC. Congrats, you guys make me happy as shit. I've been saying this over and over again. Buy freaking LRC, buy. And to the ones that did buy in, you know, this makes me so happy. Just like Jasmine, just like Cody, just like GLMR. Guys, you make me so happy. Look at this. What is this? This, only from here, this was 142, but I was talking about LRC from here. This was a nice 2.5x. So LRC, guys, back. It needs to come back home. Come back home, LRC. Come back home. Over here somewhere at the 30 cents. 30 cents. We come retest this breakout over here. 30 cents. I'll be interested in buying some of that again and again and again. Okay, guys, that's it for me. That's my charts. That's what I wanted to tell you guys. So now it's all on to you. So let me check the chat. What is going on? Theta bounced. Hello, what do you think about Conflux? It's strongly Conflux. It's very Asian, and Conflux, you know, Conflux. Let me show you Conflux. Conflux, you know, I see it a lot, but you know, it's a coin that already pumped a lot, and I like to, I like the rec charts. So look at this. This is on the, let me put it on the weekly so you can see. You see? Everyone that knows me knows that I don't like to buy coins that look like this. But I can tell you this. This looks like a sort of a cup and handle. So if this breaks out over here, those Asians may pump it up like crazy over here. So that's a possibility. So that's about Conflex. And Conflex is really Asian. The Asians are really all over it. Okay, so that's about Conflex. Let me see. What do we have more? What do we have more? All right, guys, we're going to do the Q&A later. So first I'm going to do some altcoins from the retail fam, and then we're going to do the Q&A. Okay, let me see. These are a lot of, just one, please, one plus. One is sharing over here, KSM. There is Polkadot ecosystem, and there is the KSM. It's the testing platform. I really don't get it. I understand that KSM and Moonriver and a lot of those coins, they are super wrecked. But I think that if those coins go up, it's based on FOMO and based on a lot of shills. Because if you have the Moonbeam ecosystem, the real one, why would you buy the testing ones? I really don't get it. It's that there is no logic for me over there. So that's why if I would buy Moonriver or KSM, Kusama or whatever, I'd rather buy GLMI or Polkadot or, maybe you get me. Okay, so let me see another one. Illivium, well, Illivium is a good one. And I think Naka is also a very chilled one and already made a nice rise up. Let me see Naka. I'm gonna do only Naka for you. And then I need to go on to the next Naka. What is Naka? Bro, it looks super bullish. It looks super strong. So if I would be interested in Naka, it would be at 180. And then I need to do some research on the fundamentals, if there is some life in it. So if I would buy over here at the 170, 180. I wouldn't be interested in Naka at these levels. Guys, I like the rec charts. And I understand that you guys maybe are bag holders. You're holding a lot of bags for a long time. And you're hoping to make that 30, 40, 50x. Or just hodl and make sure that you take out your investment and some profits. And leave the rest running for that 30, 40, 50, 100x. You never know, because I don't know. I don't have the fundamental knowledge about Naka at this moment. But this chart looks to me, this is not a chart where I'll be interested in buying in. It's just how it is. Okay, let me go to the next. Chelo, my baby Chelo. Congrats everyone again and again that has been buying my top 5 coins. Chelo is one of them. So congrats. Let me go to my Chelo baby. Where are you? Chelo made us a lot of money. Let me see. Chelo. Where are you? Why are you Chelo? Chelo. Why I cannot find Chelo? Why is Chelo not on my coins? Let me put it on then. Chelo, let me put on this one. Let me put on the BTC pair also. Let me put it on Chelo. Let me look at it. Chelo. Ooh, that's a nasty drop. That's a nasty one. But, I've received a lot of DMs about Chelo. All people asking me what to do about Chelo, what to do. My answer is to all of them the same. Take the damn money, take the profits. When you see a big rise up comes like 70, 80, 90, 100%, always take profits. So we came into this liquidity zone, but this is a nasty one. But you have to understand my style. My style is like this. Listen very good what I'm going to say now. This is my style. When I'm in Chelo and I'm seeing my profits, the first thing that I will do, I go to Bitcoin. And then I check Bitcoin. Has Bitcoin enough strength to keep up the rise up? As long as that is happening, I'm in Chelo. But the moment I see that Bitcoin might dump, just like the vid I made 2-3 days ago, by the way, thanks for all the views. It broke all records for me. Almost 1,000 views on that vid. When I make a vid like that, I'm expecting a dump. The first thing I do is I decrease my positions on altcoins, because I know if Bitcoin dumps, altcoins will dump. Everyone in here that's watching, that is here over here, you have to understand this. When Bitcoin dumps, altcoins will dump even harder. So meaning, when you see me sharing that Bitcoin isn't looking good and I nil most of those ones, it automatically means that if you're in any longs, maybe it's time to decrease or close those longs. Or maybe if you're holding some altcoins in nice profits, maybe it's time to take some profits off the table. You have to understand this. You have to combine these thoughts, because if Bitcoin dumps, everything dumps. So keep this in mind, guys. So Cello, very simple, guys. I love this dump, by the way. I love it. I love it. It's just like Bitcoin. We're testing the indicator on the daily, but I want it over here. 80 cents. 80 cents. This region's over here. I'll be buying a lot of Cello. So if this thing comes back to the 80 cents regions, I will be buying a lot of Cello, guys. I will really buying a lot of Cello. And if it goes lower, it's very simple. I'll buy more and more and more and more. So that's about Cello. And let me go. What do we have more? And your thoughts on ICP? ICP. I think that ICP is also a. Let me go to the chart and then we'll talk about ICP. I like ICP, by the way. I like ICP. I was calling about ICP when a long time ago, when it was over here to buy ICP over. It was really over in this regions over here at $3, 320. Over here I was. You can find it on my Twitter. Just go type in ICP, you'll find it. So I've been sharing my buy orders over here for ICP, but ICP, and I was telling a lot of guys ICP. So ICP made a 5x, even more, a 5x. ICP, I think that ICP can get much, but you know, the market cap is pretty high. So I think that ICP needs to have some fundamental going on there for it to make a real pump up, because the fundamentals are very high on ICP already, although it's super wrecked. But you know, a lot of people always look at, you know, where was the price of ICP? Oh, it was at, not in this chart, but if you go to another chart, it was at 2,800. I don't know what it was. Madness. But guys, don't look at those charts. Look at the market cap and compare it to other projects that do the same. And based on those, that's how you can determine if you're bullish and if you're going to buy in on that coin, yes or no. Remember what I just said. Remember what I just said. So don't buy a coin because some big YouTube influencer is telling you to buy it. No. No. Everyone has got his own, I hope for you, healthy mind. I will show you the way how to think and how to check and how to make your own decisions. I will show you the way and you make those choices. But for now, let me just answer ICP, because ICP needs to hold the $9. If it holds over here, then we might see another, maybe it will go to the $20 next time. 23. So we need to hold a $9.99. So that's ICP. Let me go to the next one. Eagled. Oh, I'm getting so much questions about this. Eagled. Always eagled. Guys, for the ones that don't know, I made so much money on Eagled. It's really incredible. But it wasn't Eagled at that time. It was ERD. The ERD. It was called ERD. And you know, I made so much money on ERD. It's really mind-blowing. So I was also in the ERD army. I was really in the ERD army. I was at that time. I was in the ERD Telegram community, and we were like crazy. ERD has got a lot of nice, super bullish gifts, by the way. So I really love ERD. So, but ERD Eagled. But Eagled at some point, I don't know when they changed to Eagled. Well, let me see. Well, we had this breakout for the ones that traded this, because when you see this, I probably shared it. So the ones that traded this, well, congrats. You made a nice double over here. Earth, well, what to say about Earth? Well, you know, I think there are better projects to buy than Earth. And I'm not saying that Eagle is a bad project. Eagle is a very, very good project. And I know a lot about Eagle, by the way, fundamentally also. But I am not so excited about Eagle anymore. It's not because Eagle is doing something wrong. No, they're just building and they're doing great things. The thing is, I think that there are better coins to make better gains on than Eagle. That's just my opinion. So for now, as you can see, it's just going through over. This is a very important level, 51 to hold. If it doesn't hold the 51, it could drop back to the 35 regions again. So keep that in mind. It's this regions again over here. So that's very dangerous, by the way. So this one, the 35 range, because I think I even bought some at 35. Yes, 35. This range has been arranged. I think I bought some over here, and then it dumped even to the 20 bucks, and then it came back, and well, and then boom, a double. So guys, you have to understand this. When I share something that I'm buying, you have to understand, I never ever sell in losses. Never ever. So if I decide to buy, because you guys know me, I buy only blood. I only buy blood. I never ever buy FOMO. I only trade FOMO. That's another story. But I never buy spot. I never buy FOMO. I only buy blood. So if you see me buying blood, I never, ever sell in losses. And this is a good example, because I remember I bought in some Eagle over here at 35 bucks, and then it came down, and I know that I DCA bought in more over here because of this trend line, and I bought in at the 25 regions, 26, and well, I sold, I think, over here at 60, I think 60, yes. I sold at 60. This rise up, it came back, and over here I sold it, I think, yes. Something like that. So, guys, no matter what coin I'm showing you, I never sell in losses. So let me go Eagle. Let me see. ICP, look at the fundamentals and technical they are building. It's a buy. Yeah, I agree. ICP has got a very, very good team. So I do agree on that one. What about CHX? I've never heard of CHX. CHX, let me see. CHX. Never heard of it. I really don't know. CHX, it doesn't exist on this list over here. So I don't know. It's a too small of a coin. So sorry, I cannot help you on that one. Metal, is that ticker MTL? I think I shared that one. Wasn't I the one that shared about that one? Okay, let me know in the comments, please. As for the Nick Morgan, can you let me know? Metal, I think that I was the one that shared that. No? I shared that chart, I think, because it was a super wreck chart and I liked it and I shared it. Wasn't it me? Yes, it's me, because I've seen it. So it was me. Metal. I really have no clue what this coin is. I really don't know what this coin is. Metal. Something with metal. I don't know, but I liked it. I shared it, I think. Where did I share it? I shared it maybe over here or somewhere. And you see, oh, this was a huge bump, by the way. Oh my God, this was $4. I missed this. I didn't see this one. Yeah, let's see. Well, if this thing comes back to the box, I'll be interested. 150, one here, 170 to 150. Just come back. Let me put on an alarm, because this metal is pretty explosive. But I've shared it. That's why I'm telling you guys. When you see me share a coin, it has a reason. Because I'm not sharing a coin because someone called me or sent me an offer to get paid and shill some coin so other people buy it, so that other influencers and the other team that paid will sell and dump those bags on you. That's not me. So for me it's very simple. When I share a coin, know that there is something going on. I don't share just a coin because I want to share it. No, there always has to be a reason. So for now, one between 167 until 120 is just a buy. This is a buy for me, by the way. Let me do two more, guys. Two more, and then we're gonna do the Q&A, and then we're gonna close it up. Let me see. Tell. I know this coin. I forgot about what it was exactly. We closed above. Oh, this looks very good. We closed above the freaking 200 EMA on the weekly. This looks very good. The double bottom over here, and it's ramping up. Looks good. This is looking good. This thing already did a 3-4x. This Tel, I really have Telcoin. Well, whatever Telcoin is, keep an eye on it. If it closes, if it holds support, it's super bullish for this. Over here, yes, also, you see, we came back over here. Looking good. Tel is looking good. Am I aping in now? No, but it's looking good. The charts are looking good. That's all I can say. The charts are looking super good. So this needs to hold. This needs to hold the 33 cents. Needs to hold the 33 cents. As you can see over here, it's this support line. They broke it. So we really need this 33 cents to hold. And then this thing might moon. I will do some research after the vid about this Telcoin. I'm liking the chart. Render, guys, there is no use for me to chart render. Why should I chart render? I'm not going to buy it. Okay, let me chart render. Okay, let me chart render. Let me see what's going on. Render. I was buying render at 45 cents. So it's a ship that left. I was buying it on KuCoin. I was buying render at KuCoin by that time. And well, USDT, it was at 40 cents at that time. So yeah, render, what should 30%? Guys, I'm telling you, this has to do with you see, I've been charting this for weeks. Look, this one, guys, this is, it's already in all-time highs. This thing, we were buying this thing at 45 cents over here. This is where we were buying render, 45 cents. So this is already a 30-40x. And I'm telling you, this conference that's going on has something to do with this pump. And you know, it's a train that left. So you know, as a retailer, you have to stop focusing on coins that look like this, because this means over here is where the whales and the super whales, they already knew what's going to happen. They were buying in like crazy over here, and over here the pump starts. So there is no use for us to follow this pump. Yeah, maybe trading. You can use the indicator on the 50 minutes. Let me see how the 50-minute work looks. Well, looks also a disaster. But this is how you trade it. Over here, up, confirmation. It even tested the 200 EMA. Over here would be a long. And you're just longing the shit out of this. You can even put it on the 5 minutes. Over here. Above it, in, and you're just riding this FOMO train. But, you know, for me, as an investment or as a swing trader, whatever, I'm not interested in charts like this. There are a lot of charts in the making. That's going to do the same like this one, even better. But those charts are still over here. And those are the ones I want to focus on and have my... So I really... It may sound a bit hard what I'm going to say now, but the problem with a lot of retailers is they follow FOMO. But when you follow FOMO, it's already too late. So there is no use case to follow the FOMO. Just leave it. This don't waste any energy and time on charts like this. This train already left. And I know that your favorite guru is now on X telling you, render to the moon, render is going to $500, render is going to make you a millionaire, render this, render that. And they start doing this at the top when charts look like this. Well, I have seen that shit again and again and again and again. And I just don't follow those scammers, because when this thing will stop falling down and you bought in at $13 and then it comes down to $7 and then you'll start, well, maybe I should have controlled my emotion, and maybe I should have listened to MB, and maybe I should have focused on the coins that are pumping now. because I've been buying the ones that were pumping then at the top, and I was forgetting about the ones that are looking like this, for example, that didn't pump yet, or this one, for example, or this one, for example, or this one, for example. Now, I was checking the coins that were already in the moon. And you know, trading wise, I agree. Because trading wise, if you're trading, use that damn indicator, use it, put it on the 5 minutes, put it on the 15 minutes, put your screens on, take a really, really, really nice cup of cappuccino, and you're on those charts and you're riding the wave and you're making money and take profits on the way up and put your stop loss, keep hiring up, and that's how you make money. That's how the team makes money. It's very easy. But for investment wise, why would I buy? Okay, enough about that. Enough about that. Okay, guys, I'm gonna do one more. FED, I'm not going to do FED because FED, I've shared so much charts about FED and so much P&Ls. The team destroyed FED. So I'm not going to do that. Okay, guys, everything related to PAT. So if it's VLX PAT, KCC PAT, Astra PAT, guys, I've been there, done that, I've seen it all. My honest opinion, stay away from everything that ends up with PAT. it's just, you've got that influencer, what's his name? I like him, by the way, I like him a lot. He shows these PATs very much. He's from the UK. He talks like, today is the great right. What's his name? Superman. Superman is his name. He does a lot with his PATs, but people have gotten totally destroyed, guys. So please stay away from it. XLM is in a buy zone. XLM is a very nice one. XLM is a very nice, but you know, XLM is very related to XRP. So XRP has to move and then it's over. Okay, well, Mohammed Ali, perp. Yes, perp. We're gonna do perp. It's the last one, and then we go to Q&A if there is someone having some questions. Perp USDT. Let me put it on perp. Perp is looking very good, by the way. Perp is looking very good. Yes, I'm liking perp. I'm liking perp, and I will buy perp. I will buy perp and I will trade perp. So listen, I'm seeing now that Ocean is also pumping. Yeah, the AI is really pumping, guys. It's because of, I'm telling you. So if you want to trade based on, use the Indie also to the private group members, use the Indie on the 15 and 5 minutes and trade everything related to AI. It's because of the NVIDIA event. So a lot of AI coins are pumping. So perp, guys, I'm bullish on perp. I like perp, and I want to buy perp. Listen, we got these 2 drops over here. I need another drop. So everything, guys, everything around the $1, I will buy perp. So it needs to dump a bit more. Yesterday it was showing some strength, and then out of the nothing it dumped again. But guys, perp, everything around over here. You got on the daily, the 200 May. Perp, I will be buying. The lower it goes, the more I buy. I'm bullish on perp. I'm liking perp, so perp is a very good one. Muhammad Ali, like that one. Okay, guys, that's it for the altcoins. I'm gonna give you guys now 5 minutes to ask a question. I'm gonna ask it, and then we're gonna close it up. And I'm so happy with you guys joining me today into this live. It's not something that I do often, and also something that I don't like to do, but you know, once in a time we can do these lives and I can answer the questions. Okay, so we're gonna get 5 minutes for the question. If there is nothing, then we're gonna close it up. But you know, I tweet so much. I think that most of you people already have. Let me see if there wasn't any questions already asked. Oh yeah, he is. Let me see. What do you think about CFA government? He's strong associated with Ash. I mean, Ash. I'm very bullish on Ash, by the way, guys. Ash. We already made nice sick gains shared also, so we already killed that one. Let me see. Let me see. What do we have more? These bits decisions of Polkadot, Skipping out, skipping out the power of the sound on the. Let me see. This is no. Let me see. Acces, guys. Someone asked about Acces. I'm not interested in Acces. It's a gaming coin. I think that it topped out in the previous cycle, so I'm not interested. Very, very high market cap. I'm not interested in coins that did very good in previous cycles and are on very big high caps. Only the really strong ones like VeChain, like Zilliqa, those ones I will, XRP. But like Acces, the gaming, I really am not interested in those ones. Just my opinion, by the way, guys. I'm just telling you there's no financial advice. Everyone is maybe I can't find. Oh, you can't find the trading vids. No, they're pinned in the Weex private group. There is a trading course vid. Definitely is over there. I will check it. For you. Okay, guys. There are. Why do you often chart a coin against Bitcoin? This is a very good question. These are also the questions I like. This is a very good. So Lamia, this is a very, very good question. Why am I charting against me? Let me give you an example of Anchor. Why? Because first of all, you have to understand the BTC pair. The BTC pair is what you're seeing over here. There are a lot of people and whales. They don't trade in fiat, so they don't trade with USDT or USDC or whatever. They are crypto believers, and what they do is they buy a lot of Bitcoin and they buy a lot of Ethereum, and they trade their crypto against other crypto. So meaning that they will buy, just like these over here. What you're seeing over here now is when this thing went down, means that people, let's just say people on wheels or sharks, what they're doing is they're flipping their Bitcoin, their other Anchor coins into Bitcoin. And when you see this thing come up, it means that they are flipping their Bitcoin into Anchor. And that's when you see the BTC pair, because sometimes what you see is that the BTC pair looks pretty the same like the USDT pair. When you see that, then it doesn't work. But when you see that the USDT pair and the BTC pair are not the same, and when you see that the BTC pair is going up, so like on Anchor BTC, it's going up, or like on, let me give you Polkadot, like as you can see over here, it's down. So if this thing starts ramping up, it means that people, because how do you get alt season? Alt season happens when all those Bitcoin whales will start flipping their Bitcoin into altcoins. And that's how you get alt season. That's how altcoins make like 200%, 300%, 50, 70, 80, 500% in a day. It's not because there is a lot of new money coming in. No, it's because the Bitcoin, which is at this moment at very high levels, gets flipped into the altcoins. And that's why, for me personally, the BTC pair is much more important than the USDT pair. Because why? The BTC pair shows me the strength. So that's I hope that you answered that question. Flux is pumping, guys. Flux, it's very simple. Flux is my number one altcoin. I've shared it before it pumped when it was at 48 cents. So everyone, and I know that there are a lot of followers of me that are heavy invested in Flux, and they hate me when I say that I hope it comes down because I want to buy more. Because there are a lot of retailers that already bought a lot of Flux. And let me see if I can find it very fast over here. Flux, guys. Yeah, Flux here. It's going again. It's going. You cannot stop this much. Guys, over here, this is my number one altcoin. It still is. And why? This is why. You see this? This is the BTC pair. So for Lamia that asked the question, look, this is what shows me where Flux is and how much upside potential it has. Because this is not showing me the upside potential. This is what shows me how much higher Flux can go. And based on this chart, I can see that Flux can go pretty hard. So to all the holders of Flux, congrats. And Flux is for me very simple. How did it react to the dump yesterday? Well, you know, it's so strong. It's so strong. It's so strong. So congrats for the Flux holders. Just hold on Flux. It will make you a lot of money. And if it comes back dumping down for whatever reason, the lower it goes, the more I buy. So that's about Flux. Let me see. That's about that. The Mexc winner. The Mexc winner from the competition, guys. He wins the future bonuses. I have to check it if it ended. So that's so the private one was for the Weex ones, not for the Mexc. It was not for the Mexc. It was only for the Weex. So the winner of the Weex trading competition is the one that will get a live trading course with me, not Mexc. I scrolled through the trading bits. I can't find it. Okay, I will look it up. I will look it up. I will look it up. Just came by. Did you speak about BTC and what could happen next week? In which direction will move likely? No, I did not speak about that one. I'm gonna make a vid about that tomorrow. So tomorrow I'm gonna do a vid about the financial markets and Bitcoin and what I'm expecting a dump or pump. So that's something for tomorrow. And for now, the Indy is holding exactly as shared and predicted. Because where is Bitcoin now? Bitcoin is now at, where is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is at, let me see, where is Bitcoin at? Bitcoin is now at, yeah, 67. So it's really, look at this. It's really, listen, I've said it. I've tweeted this. If you go to my tweet, I tweeted this into perfection. I told you when we were over here, I told you guys, okay, most will probably think that we're going to the moon and it's impossible that we dump with something like 10K or 8K, 9K. Okay, well, like 2-3 days it happened. So we came back, we retested over here, and we're bouncing pretty strong. But for now, we have to break this one, guys. You see it? This is very important. The indicator and the 4 hour. This is the level. So 68.7. So we might get here and over here. You have to be very defensive because over here we could get rejected. You have to see it like this. And on the macro, Bitcoin up or down tomorrow. Tomorrow I will make a vid about that one because the FOMC is also coming. So there's a lot going to happen again on the markets, and I'm gonna check it. I'm gonna check it tomorrow. So tomorrow I'm gonna make a vid about that one. Okay, let's see something else. No. Okay, guys, everyone that's watching over here, thank you very much for being here. Push on the like, please. Push on the like. If you want to join the private group, the free private group, and get the indicator just like show today, you know what to do. In the description, everything is explained. You have to be trading a Mexc or Weex, and then send me your ID, and I will add you to the group, and the indicator will be also provided. Push on the like, guys. Have a nice one. Thank you, and bye-bye.